Good Loop is the fair trade stamp of advertising. We deliver effective ad campaigns that are also a force for good in the world. Consumers are 4 times more likely to buy and 6 times more loyal to a brand that has a conscience. Good Loop is about helping brands and agencies divest from negative media and instead start buying media that still delivers on their KPIs, but also, stays true to their values. Basically, we put adverts on websites, and if people choose to give a little bit of their precious time and attention, they get to give a free donation to a charity of their choice, funded by the advertiser. Benefit 1, we deliver positive, proactive engagement. We're delivering skippable ad formats, and without Good Loop, you're lucky if 50% of your consumers don't skip. Benefit 2 is that the ads are more memorable. We recently ran a campaign for Quaker Oats and we delivered 4.5 times higher ad recall because you get to choose the charity, do a little bit of good in collaboration with the brand, and that's a memorable experience. And the final thing is that we help brands deliver on their purpose. Our ethics and our transparency are really valuable sources of differentiation. I think I speak for everyone in my team when I say it's hard work and we all give a shit about making it the best it can be. But it's also pretty fun. We've just completed a campaign with Pantene that I'm really proud of. The brand came to us with a campaign called Hair Has No Gender around getting trans and gender non-binary people more accepted into the beauty industry. And we worked with them to wrap it in the Good Loop format and then distribute it. Every time people engaged with the ad, they unlocked a donation to Gendered Intelligence, which is an awesome charity working in this space. And the results were phenomenal. We had an 82% completed view rate. But the really lovely thing is that we shifted brand consideration by 29% and we increased brand love by 66%. In fact, the campaign has recently been shortlisted for the Campaign Purpose Awards in the Best Authenticity category. My name's Amy Williams. I am the founder and CEO of Good Loop.